To create a pooled quiz or test in ALEKS, you're first going to navigate to the assignments page. Once you're on the assignments page, you can click plus new assignment in the top left corner and choose a quiz or a test depending on what you're trying to create. In this case, I'm going to choose quiz. You can name and date your quiz as needed, and then if you're wanting to pool a quiz or a test based off of your homework assignments, the first thing that you're going to do is switch this from add questions from the default is going to be ALEKS topics, but if you click that drop down arrow, you're going to choose previous assignments instead. You're going to skip the section for randomly adding and select the assignment type here as homework assignment. From your homework assignments, you can choose whatever chapter that you're trying to pull from and pool from, and you can just check it off with the checkbox next to it, and you'll see these options pop up, and one of them is pooling. From the question pool tool, you can randomly pull as many questions as needed. In this case, I'm going to pool 10 questions into my quiz. So now I have pooled all 27 questions that my students were previously given on their homework assignment, and it's just going to randomly pull 10 out of these 27 questions for each student. If you have multiple chapters, you can do this multiple times. So you can either edit the pool that you've already created, or you can add a new pool for the next chapter and randomly add 10 questions from that chapter as well. So you'll see this over here on the right-hand side. You'll see it's pulling 10 of these 27 questions. And if you scroll down, questions numbers 11 through 20 is the second pool where it's pulling 10 questions of this grouping of 28 from chapter 2. Once you have your pools the way that you like them, you can just hit continue, set all of your settings, and then hit create assignment, and it will save it into your class.